Leetcode Biweekly Context 179. Question number 1. Minimum absolute difference between two values. This is an easy problem. There are gonna be a few general tactics to solve this problem. First, we can start with something default return value, which is -1. Second thing, we can start something with a big value or big invalid result. Third thing is we go through this list, but while we are going through this list, we find a smaller result. So if there is one, we replace the final result. Otherwise, we keep going. There's gonna be a stop sign. What is the stop sign in this problem? If the absolute difference between two values is 1, which means we found two adjacent 1 and 2, that's gonna be the smallest result. There's no way we can find anything smaller than 1 but greater than 0. That's why we can just stop the loop. We're going through the whole loop until we find the smallest one we can return. Otherwise, we just return the default -1. These are the things we're gonna put into consideration to solve this easy problem.